So this is a test of the Elephone P9000. I'm having some problems with the microphone. It's a brand new device. So I'm going to make this video just to send on to the vendor, who are Spanish, geekvida.es. So I'm making this video for them. So just a little bit of Spanish. Disculpas por mi mal español. Esta es un prueba del nuevo problema de sonido con el micrófono. So I think what I just said was, apologies for my bad Spanish, this is a test of the 9000 sound problem with the microphone. So what I'm going to do is actually make a test recording for you. And so I have a recorder here. So I'm going to record here. This is a test of the Elephone P9000 recording. And let me just see if you can see. You see the noise up and down here? So this is still recording. And now I'm just going to play this back. So I don't know if you were able to hear the noise, but you should be able to. Well, for example, the commentary that I made wasn't recorded at all. So I'm just going to do another test. So this is a test. This is another test of the Elephone P9000. So 8 seconds long. So it's this one here. And again, nothing. So I'll show you some other recordings. So for example, there is continuously a noise here. See this noise up and down? So wherever the microphone is here, there's continuously noise. So just as another test, I'm going to go to the camera app. I'm going to go to video. And I'm going to go to video here. So this is a test of the Elephone P9000, and I'm recording the video, and you should be able to hear my commentary on the video output from the P9000. So I have this video recorded here. So I'm just going to play that. And you can see the device is turned up quite loud. So the only sound in this video is the noise. So there's clearly a problem with the P9000 microphone in this device. Now I know that it's not just me. Another guy on one of the YouTube videos, video reviews of the P9000 mentioned that he had a similar problem. So I think I'm going to have to return this one to the manufacturer, or to the vendor, sorry, and hopefully we can resolve it. It's a beautiful phone, really, really great spec. I'm very impressed with it. I'm sorry, I'm going to have to send it back.